Now next conventional source is wind energy. Wind energy is used in windmills which convert kinetic energy of wind into mechanical energy or electrical energy. Up in primitive times or in earlier times, this kinetic energy of wind was also used to lift water from wells, grinding grains, floor mills जो थी विंड मिल्स से चलती थी और ग्रेन्स ग्राइंड हो जाते थे. Nowadays, windmill is used to rotate. Winds are used to rotate turbines, and turbine are connected to generator. Now question arises कि wind energy से how can we rotate the turbine with the help of a windmill. So what are windmill? Windmill is a tall elongated tower and they are equipped with blades. The blades are designed in such a way that they create pressure difference, and when wind strikes on these blades, they create pressure difference and blades start moving. And this rotatory motion of windmill is used to run turbine. They are used to run turbines, and when turbine rotates, turbines are connected to generator. Generator generates electricity. But a single windmill produces small amount of current. So we have to use large number of windmills in large area so that more electricity can be produced, and this area is known as wind energy farms. Now what are advantages of wind energy? It is renewable source of energy, does not cause pollution, and its recurring cost is less. What are disadvantages? Disadvantage is, first of all, the wind is not available at all the times. Second, कि wind farm must have 200 to 300 windmills, so large area of land is required. Means कि if we have to install 1 megawatt generators, then we need about 2 hectares of land. It requires the minimum wind speed. The third is minimum wind speed should be 15 km per hour. There should be some backup facilities to take care of the needs when there is no wind. So these are certain disadvantages of windmill. देखिए, अब these are the figures of windmill. This is single windmill. In this way, pressure, these blades are attached in such a way that they create pressure, and when pressure is created, they rotate at high speed. Or this is the wind energy farm. Large number of windmills are, these are wind energy farms. Large number of windmills are installed here. So we required a large area of land. Now comes non-conventional sources of energy. First is solar energy. We all know solar energy is the energy which we obtain from sun in the form of heat and light. Now solar energy reaching to us, the solar energy reaching to us per unit area at outer edge of earth atmosphere, it is known as solar constant. So you must know what is solar constant. Solar constant is कि एक यूनिट एरिया ऑफ अर्थ एटमॉस्फेयर, अर्थ के सरफेस पर कितनी सोलर एनर्जी आती है, दैट इज कॉल्ड सोलर कांस्टेंट, और इसकी वैल्यू है 1.4 किलो जूल पर सेकेंड पर मीटर स्क्वायर. This solar constant is very important. Now different solar heating devices are solar cooker, solar water heater, solar furnace, etc. Now first of all, solar cooker. Solar cooker, this is a box type solar cooker and has an insulated box painted inside black, or it is covered with glass plate which allow heat to enter the cuboidal box but does not allow the heat to come out. As जो glass plate होती है, I will discuss the diagram after discussion. तो जो glass plate होती है, that does not allow inside trapped heat to go outside. That means glass plate produces greenhouse effect, and the mirror is also present there to reflect more sunlight into the box. So what is the use of mirror? Mirror is used to reflect more sunlight, and जो glass plate है, that does not allow heat to escape out. The food which to be kept in the container, और इसमें का जो टेम्परेचर है वो 100 to 140 डिग्री सेल्सियस ही रहता है. अब सोलर कुकर की एडवांटेज ये है कि 4 डिशेस एट ए टाइम बन जाती हैं, इको फ्रेंडली है और कॉस्ट कम पड़ती है. बट देयर आर सर्टेन डिसएडवांटेज. फॉर एग्जांपल कि हमें बार बार सन की डायरेक्शन के अकॉर्डिंग इसकी डायरेक्शन को चेंज करना पड़ता है. कैन नॉट बी यूज्ड एट नाइट, कैन नॉट बी यूज्ड इन रेनी डेज, और above all it cannot, as its temperature is 100 to 140 degree Celsius, so it cannot be used for baking, frying and making chapati. Next is solar water heater. Solar water heater has an insulated box painted black. ब्लैक बॉक्स होता है और उसके अंदर कॉपर ट्यूब्स होती हैं, और कॉपर ट्यूब जो है ग्लास प्लेट से कवर करते हैं. अगेन कि ग्लास प्लेट जो है मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ हीट को अंदर ट्रैप कर लेता है और बाहर नहीं जाने देता है. अब जब वाटर फ्लोज इन दीज कॉपर ट्यूब्स, ये एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है हीट को और पानी जो है वो गर्म हो जाता है. इन दिस वे सोलर वाटर हीटर हेल्प्स टू warm the water. Now comes solar cell. Solar cell is a device which converts solar energy into electrical energy. Solar cells are made of semiconductor. Solar cell के अंदर एक semiconductor use होता है which is silicon, germanium and gallium. A simple solar cell जो है वो हमें सिर्फ 0.5 to 1 वोल्ट तक का पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस वोल्टेज का होता है, एंड इट प्रोड्यूसेस 0.7 वाट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. सो दिस इज़ वेरी स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. तो इसलिए हमें बहुत सारे सोलर सेल्स को कंबाइन करना पड़ता है इन ऑर्डर टू गेट मोर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, एंड दिस इज़ कॉल्ड सोलर पैनल. This is called solar panel. What are advantages of solar cell? First of all, कि it uses renewable source of energy, as it uses sun free of cost, produce electricity, does not causes pollution, and it can be used in remote areas. Remote areas मतलब villages में जहाँ पे power supply नहीं होती, वहाँ पे हम इसे यूज़ कर सकते हैं. एंड इट्स मेंटेनेंस इज़ ऑल्सो लेस. नाउ डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ सोलर सेल्स. स्पेशल ग्रेड ऑफ सिलिकॉन इज़ रिक्वायर्ड विच इज़ एक्सपेंसिव. इन सोलर पैनल व्हेन बहुत सारे सेल्स कंबाइन होते हैं, दे आर कंबाइंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ सिल्वर, एंड सिल्वर मेड इट expensive. Third is the current produced is DC. DC means direct current, और उसको यदि हमें AC में कन्वर्ट करना है, ऑल्टरनेटिंग करंट में चेंज करना है, तो इट इंक्रीजेज दी कॉस्ट. तो इन दिस वे देयर आर सर्टेन एडवांटेजेस एंड डिसएडवांटेजेस ऑफ सोलर cooker. Now see, this is box type solar cooker. This is the cuboidal shape,